Karan, are you awake?
Yes, Dad, I'm awake. Today is my first day at work. I know. Are you feeling nervous? A little. It's my first job. That's normal. Just stay calm and do your best. I will.
Did you pack your documents?
Yes, they are in my bag. And your lunch?
Yes, Dad. Everything is ready.
Good. First impressions are important.
I understand.
Yes.
All right, it's time to go.
Yes.
Good luck, son.
Thank you, Dad. That means a lot.
Excuse me, does this bus go to City Office Park?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you.
Are you going there for work?
Yes, today's my first day.
Oh, that's nice. Good luck.
Thank you.
So, which company are you joining?
Bright Tech Solutions.
I've heard of it.
Really?
Yes, it's a good company.
That's good to hear. Wow, this building is big. I hope I'm in the right place. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
I'm looking for Bright Tech Solutions. 4th floor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Karan. Today is my first day.
Welcome, Karen. Please sit in the waiting area. The manager will meet you soon.
Thank you. Why is my heart beating so fast? Relax, Karan. Everything will be fine. Good morning, sir.
Hello, Karan. Welcome to the company.
Thank you, sir.
Are you ready for your first day?
Yes, I think so. Let me show you around the office. Sure. This is our workspace. It looks great. And these are your coworkers.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Nice to meet you.
Hello. I'm happy to meet everyone.
Karan, I have a small task for you.
Yes, sir.
Please organize these files.
All right. Neha, can I ask something?
Of course.
I think I placed these files in the wrong order.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes on the first day. Yes.
Really?
I'll help you.
Good job today, Karan. Thank you, sir.
You did well for your first day.
I'm glad to hear that.
How was your first day?
It was good. I was nervous in the beginning, but everyone was very kind.
That's wonderful.
I learned many things today. You know, Dad, the first step is always the hardest.
That's true.
But once you take that step, everything becomes easier.